Alright folks, this is going to be a quickie vid. Now you're probably wondering, why is he showing me his OBD2 connector? Well, it's actually an OBD1 with an OBD2 shell, but this is a 95 Pontiac Firebird formula. And one of the remotes got lost, never to be found again, and I just got another one. And I got it off an Amazon seller, and here it is. And what I want to do is that I actually want to program this remote. But to do that, with this car, most GMs of 95 and earlier, you've got to ground 2 pins. On this car, since it's got this connector, it's going to be pins 4 and 8. In 4, it's kind of easy to see. Well, if the stupid camera would focus. Hello? There. 4 is the first one, is the second one here that you can actually see metal, and 8 is the one on the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a jumper, and I've rigged one up, a jumper here with some wire, actually some test leads. One side's got a paper clip, the other side's just wire, bare wire that's tight. And I've got those connected in through a little 5-volt fuse, because you should use a fuse jumper, or a 5-amp fuse rather. It's in this little package, so it's just kind of taped together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this thing in programming mode. And what you'll see is you're going to hear the door lock cycle. That tells you it's in programming mode. And then within a few seconds after that, you should hit the remotes, the buttons on the remotes, to program them. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to pin 8, which should be the ground. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. There we go. And the second one I'm going to put into 4. And I'm doing this one-handed. I'm sorry for the jumpy camera. There, you heard the lock cycle. Now, I'm going to take my remotes and press it. There's one. And here's the new one. 2. Programmed. We're done. All we have to do now is pull these out of program mode. Pull the ground. Pull that one. And let's test our remotes. Now I have a 3-button remote. So we'll do lock and unlock. Locked. Unlocked. And this new one. Lock. Unlock. And a 3rd button here is a trunk release. We can hear that. You can hear the solenoid. And there's the old one. So, basically, we are done. It's simple as that, folks. And I'll find a link to the eBay seller, because sometimes these remotes they sell don't work. And this remote was about 20 bucks. Trying to find the GM remote was about 64. And sometimes they don't have the right ones because these are hard coded. These have rolling codes, so they'll actually match up. But these sometimes don't work because sometimes they're vehicle or VIN specific. Anyway, that's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed this quick little vid. El Camino guys out.